life tonight. For the first time I feel everything's gonna be alright. For as much as I found what dreams are made of, now I'm sailing on a sea of His love. My friends are gonna tell you I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm free as a dove. Now I'm sailing on a sea of His love. It's a miracle that Jesus placed in me. The truth that we share, I never thought it could be. He taken me to new heights of love. Now I'm sailing on a sea of His love. My friends are gonna tell you I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm free as a dove. I'm sailing on a sea of His love. My friends are gonna tell him I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm free as a dove. I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm sailing on a sea of His love. I'm free as a dove. I'm sailing on a sea of Samoa uwafa'amano mafa'afetai ila utautwa ile atua inaduwe mafa'ai etina olo umatibaele fa'abaibai mana tua oa umanuena emulimulimai mana tua Yesu lea na fetalai anta ulapa olea suina oseikuva ai elefa alea oma no tautina talua Samoa lea tua malana aluenga si aina oana au-auna o mea lele kumaile fa'afiti aile alo ofa tau fata avale ai masea olona maota ta fefe uale ese male tukuo Solomona onei mea uma ua faya ona oneani Samoa ua e foa I ole mea silisi Le sili ole foa ile na tetania La ususuma ale fa apea na tatalo mo se manuia Le ekale si ai maamano si mai Malulu e faata si ia manuia le tau mafa ai Ua lata mai ole mano ole atua Le ola e faababa ua samia mo ita ua Mangalea so ai bala au mai le matai Au na lele ina e urufalema ai Ia pa atua nangwe mae salamo moni Au na lele urufalea ile oli oli Shut